Hey everybody, I'm back. All right, this is Rorree with the Goddess Isis Coven, and today I've been guided to discuss ways in which we could raise our vibrations and live in an abundance mindset, or live with an abundance mindset, living in our highest good, operating in our highest good, and manifesting our highest good. Okay, so let's get started. I thought I'd get started with a few things out of a workbook that I did some years ago called The Recipe for Prosperity. It's a part of a course. We have it started out as a 5-week course, and it was a live course, but now we've since then transitioned to online courses. So now it's an online course. But anyway, so one of the things that we did was we talked about different things, and we did different activities every day for 5 weeks. So I'm just going to share a poem that some of you may have heard of, and it's called The Company You Keep. It's better to be alone than to be in the wrong company. Tell me who your best friends are, and I'll tell you who you are. If you run with wolves, you'll learn to howl. But if you associate with eagles, you'll learn to soar to great heights. A mirror reflects a man's face, but what he is really like is shown by the kinds of friends he chooses. The fact is, you become like those whom you closely associate, for the good and for the bad. The less you associate with some people, the more your life will improve. And anytime you tolerate mediocrity in others, it actually increases your mediocrity. An important attribute in successful people is their impatience with negative thinking and negative acting people. As you grow, your associates will change. Some of your friends won't want you to move forward. They'll want you to stay exactly where they are. Friends who don't help you to climb, they're going to want you to crawl. Your friends will stretch your vision or choke your dreams. Those who don't increase you will eventually decrease you. So I wanted to share that because it's so important for us to be mindful of those people who we associate with, whether they're your colleagues, your friends, whether they're people you watch on the internet. If you spend a whole lot of time watching low vibrational things, that's what you're going to attract into your life. One of my friends, she was sharing some things with me about relationships, and she was saying how, I don't know how in the world I got on the algorithm to receive all of these videos about men that are kind of narcissistic or whatever, they feel some kind of way, right? And so she started sharing them with me just to show me the kind of videos that were coming to her. And I said, you know what, I'm good. You don't have to share those videos with me at all, because I already understand what you're saying, and I don't want to vibrate there. I don't even want to watch that kind of information, because I don't want AI to think I'm interested in that crap. So you even have to be mindful of the stuff you watch. Be mindful of the things you talk about, because the things you talk about, the things you think about, those are the things that you bring about. So even if you are complaining about something that you don't like, the more you talk about those things that you don't like, the more you're bringing that into your experience. So I'm going to end on that note, and I'm going to share something else in the next one. Ashe.